Hey guys, it's Addie
and Holly.
and today we're going to teach you the gas laws.
The first law I will talk about is Boyle's law, which states that for a given mass of a gas at constant temperature, the volume of the gas varies inversely with pressure. Boyle's law shows the relationship between pressure and volume. If the pressure is constant and the pressure of a gas increases, the volume decreases. To find the missing pressure or volume using Boyle's law, use the equation P1 times V1 equals P2 times V2. Now let's look at an example problem using the equation we just learned. Nitrous oxide, N2O, is used as an anesthetic. The pressure on 2.5 liters of N2O changes from 105 kPa to 40.5 kPa. If the temperature does not change, what is the new volume?
The second law we will talk about is Charles's law, which states that the volume of a fixed mass of a gas is directly proportional to its Kelvin temperature if the pressure is kept constant. Charles's law shows the relationship between temperature and volume. As the temperature of an enclosed gas increases, the volume increases if pressure is constant. To find the missing volume or temperature using Charles's law, use the equation V1 divided by T1 equals V2 divided by T2. Now, using the equation, let's look at an example. If a sample of gas occupies 6.8 liters at 598 Kelvin, what will its volume be at 289 Kelvin if the pressure does not change?
The third law that we will talk about is Gay-Lussac's law. This shows the relationship between pressure and temperature. As the temperature of an enclosed gas increases, the pressure increases if the volume is constant. Gay-Lussac's law states that the pressure of a gas is directly proportional to the Kelvin temperature if the volume remains constant. To find the missing pressure or temperature of something, use the equation P1 divided by T1 equals P2 divided by T2. Now for an example problem. A sample of nitrogen gas has a pressure of 6.58 kPa at 359 Kelvin. If the volume doesn't change, what will the pressure be at 211 Kelvin?
The fourth law that we will talk about is the combined gas law. The combined gas law describes the relationship among pressure, temperature, and volume of an enclosed gas. The combined gas law allows you to do calculations for situations in which only the amount of gas is constant. Use the combined gas law equation. P1 times V1 divided by T1 equals P2 times V2 divided by T2 to find any missing variables. Now for an example problem. A gas at 155 kPa and 298 K has an initial volume of 1.00 liters. The pressure of the gas increases to 605 kPa as temperature is raised to 398 K. What's the new volume? I hope you learned something from our gas laws video. Join us next time.